This picture is looking so dull without colors.
Let's color the plant and the pot.
We can also shade the background.
Great! I know Gimp has tools to do all these tasks too.
Of course. Let us explore some of these tools. We'll make the best cover picture.
To open the flowerpot.xcf file, click the Open option from the File menu. The Open Image dialog box appears. Select the flowerpot.xcf file. Click the Open button. The flower pot image is now loaded in Gimp. As the pot, leaves and flowers in your picture are closed shapes, you can use the Bucket Fill tool to color them. The Bucket Fill tool allows you to fill single color in a shape. To do this, click the Tools menu. Go to Paint Tools. Click the Bucket Fill option. The Bucket Fill tool is now activated. To fill color in the picture, click Foreground and Background Colors option in the toolbox. The Change Foreground Color dialog box opens. Select a foreground color as red and click OK button. Click inside the flower petals one by one to apply the color. Similarly, color the leaves and the flower pot. Select the background color as yellow and click on the white background to apply. The Bucket Fill tool evenly spreads a color within a shape or area. It does not allow you to change the color from one end to the other. You can further enhance your flower pot image by using the Blend tool. It fills an area with a gradient blend of colors. Thus, it is also called the Gradient tool or the Gradient Fill tool. By default, the Blend tool fills an area with a gradient blend of the foreground and background colors. To apply a gradient, click the Tools menu. Go to Paint Tools. Click Blend option. The Blend tool is now activated. Go to Tool Options dialog and select the Soft Light option from the Mode drop-down list. The Tool Options dialog displays various options related to selected tool. Keeping the left mouse button pressed, drag the cursor in the direction you want the gradient to be filled. Release the mouse button to apply the gradient. The image changes. Your colorful picture of a flower pot with flowers is now ready. Save the image by clicking the Save option from the File menu.
Vicky, this is so interesting. I would love to use Gimp to color the pictures.
You are right, Monica. I have also learned a lot today on how to color my pictures.